Hello, Dr. Ram.
Hi,
Okay, so we
everyone.
we get to talk about one of the coolest things that that you and I both like, right? I'm kind of a detox super freak. You are um the let's be honest, the only bioscience engineer on the planet that actually understands nutraceutical and pharmaceutical space and in real health and pathway development. So a long time ago, you started studying the liver and how the liver actually has control of pretty much, let me make sure that I'm correct in this. From a communication pathway standpoint for the metabolism of substances, this could be nutrients, this could be pharmaceuticals, this could be anything. The pathways for communication throughout your entire system all kind of correlate through your liver. And am I correct in that?
It's your P450 system, and it's coordinated. Yes, the pathways go through the liver with IL-2 and IL-4, and they go throughout the whole body. So that's why your liver is so important. I think that's why there's more and more fatty liver disease. Everyone thinks it has to do with alcohol, but the truth is it's because your body really needs to detox. And for me, as a scientist that's worked on so many pathways and different areas of science, that whole pathway has been so important to me throughout my career, because whether it's a pharmaceutical, biotech, human monoclonal antibody, food, nutrients, vitamins, minerals, they're all being metabolized, and people don't realize that, because we know that scientifically when you have a drug, but people don't understand that even natural things, that's so imperative to the success of your body. And I would like to talk about this. I say this all the time: cellular health. Think of your health in your body as your family. I'm going to talk a lot this year about how important I feel like the family unit is, and all the family units throughout the world are different. Sometimes it's composed of one or two or three people. There's people that stay together, people that break up. Your body also has a family unit. The cells are talking, and in order for them to work appropriately, the liver has to be working appropriately as well as the rest of the system. So when the Clean Spirits patents were filed, and Duquesne and Dylan, if you can't get this, can one of you guys go get Tiger? I don't know if Tiger's on. Hopefully she is. I'd like to post the patent. We've done this before. It's US patent 11,896 608 B1. It is approved. It's not patent pending. That means that it is approved in the United States and filed internationally. And if you look at this, I'm going to read. I usually don't do this because, but I think it's important that you guys understand that patent is so important, and the materials that Tiger's going to attach are important. And on Root U next week, I will present literature reviews and white papers, and we will do one posting of those every week if people attend calls. If I'm not on the call, I'll record a video so that you guys can have it, because I want you guys to have the material. Two things are going to happen. You're going to have the patents, articles, white papers, literature review. And if you tell me other companies have that, that is not typical. We are very different. We're going to post one for the people that attend once a week. So you have four at least this month. Tiger's going to pull out certain points so you know how you could potentially market it without making claims. In the United States of America, this particular patent also got trademarks where we're able to say that Clean Spirit supports healthy liver function. That's a huge deal, and that was really hard to get. But based on the patents and the trademarks, we're able to really talk about this. And I'm not going to make claims. The purpose of the patents is that the patents would show an invention and a composition, and the patents are done a little differently than just a typical utility patent. We've got case studies, we've got data, we've got protocols, and we also had different types of utility processes all combined into one. So people say to you all, well, all those patents are just utility processes. That's not true. These are different types of patents that are filed in a different way so that we could look at it from a multidimensional approach. Your bottom line is, how do you help people in your life? And my bottom line is the same thing. It's not for me to appear intelligent or to appear like I'm doing something good. It's that we actually have to do good. And in order to do good in life for humanity, you have to know certain facts. You can't be ignorant. That's why the patents matter, and that's why the data behind it matters. If you look at the summary of this, and we'll go over it more on Root U, as well as an additional literature review I'm going to hand to you guys. If you look at it, though, it's really looking at a composition that boosts metabolism in human beings throughout the organs, including the liver, so that it can metabolize different things better. So if you really look at this, it's not just alcohol, right? We're trying to metabolize things and for the body to work more effectively. That's our goal naturally. We can't make claims it's going to fix everything. And it's very, people get very confused about clean slate because are clean spirits because they think it's just for alcohol. The truth is it's for the organs of the body to really help it support the overall function. So let's go back to this. Your family that's in your body, you're going to support it. You're going to support the cells. You're going to make them feel better, make them be better. If you look at the patents, it includes the B vitamins, the vitamin E, resveratrol, and turmeric, the aluminum silica, the garlic, the wheatgrass, and theanine. But if you look at the first bottle of clean spirits, it's including basically your NAC, your vitamin C, your magnesium, your zinc, your silicon dioxide, all of those things combined, your trace minerals, lots of different things and concentrations that are in that so that you really are making sure that the silicon, along with the different vitamins and minerals which have been embedded, are helping this body clear out more effectively. That's why I think Clean Slate was a great start. But I say this all the time, your work on your body is never done. Again, go back to this. You got to love this. It's your family. It's part of you, right?